Wow, what a rapid and dramatic shift to digital production. Meetings, educational events, conferences, and so much more. It's really easy to launch an activity in Zoom or WebEx, or why not Teams. But are they all really good? Intriguing and perhaps engaging? Janssen Gastroenterology now offers 2 medical education workshops to help you professionalize even further. The first workshop will focus on learning principles. Is there a difference between learning face-to-face and learning in the digital space? The second workshop, just a week later, will focus on production, planning behind the camera and performing in front of the camera. Join me, Jonas Nordqvist, to top up your game in designing and implementing digital activities based on the latest educational research and best practice from the broadcasting industry. See you then.